All right, so example one of the system of linear inequalities, right? That means more than one linear inequality, like more than one inequality. So let's graph this one right here. Y is greater than negative 2x plus 7. So I'm going to go to positive 7, 0, positive 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you know what? I'm actually going to do blue instead. So blue. Oh, that looks a little funky. A little funkier still. Okay. Now, let's use the slope, which is negative 2. So down to right 1. I'll put that over 1. Maybe I could do a better job if I just do over 1. Okay. I'll just leave that. Okay. Down to right 1. Down to right 1. Down to right 1. Down to right 1. Okay. And this is going to be a dashed line because these aren't actual points or solutions that work. Okay, so it actually might be smart if we put some more of these in. Okay, and Y, well, let's put our person up here. So this person's above. We want to go greater, so it's going to be up here. Oh, you know what? I think I need to... Okay, I'm going to do it slightly differently. I'm going to do it like this, and you'll see why. Okay, it looks a little nicer anyways, but... Okay, now in this one, x is less than 3. So I guess I'll just use this red. So x is less than 3. So I'm going to go to where x is 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is where x is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now x is also 3 here, 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 here. That's where x is 3, but x has to be less than 3. Less than 3. Can't be equal to, so I'm going to draw a dashed line. I'll put it a little bit to the side so you can see it a little better. Ooh, that's really hard to see. Maybe if I do... like a little more gaps like that. Okay, so x has to be less. So it's going to be everything over here. So I'm going to do it like this. And you can see where they sort of cross right here. I'm going to point to it. Oh, so it's like this area right here. Well, I don't want to. You can see it. You can see it. So they cross here, or we'll say intersect. Okay, so let's grab some of these points. I'm going to zoom in so maybe we can see a little better. And then let's move this. Okay, so you can tell. I guess I can do it like that. I don't know how I feel about that. I accidentally left the blue line in there. I'm going to take it back out. Just give me 1 second. There it is. So intersect here. Okay, so our solutions, our x comma y, have to fall in this area right here. So this is like 1 comma like 9, 1 comma 8, 2 comma 9, 2 comma 8, like this one right here. All of these in here. I'm not going to draw too many. I'm actually going to take some away because it's hard to see, right? So this one, 1 comma inside here where they cross, 8, 1 comma 9. Maybe I should put like little stars. And so on and so forth in here, right? So I think 2, comma, they intersect here. 2, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll put 2, comma, 6. We can see 2, comma, 7 work. We can actually see that 2 or like 2.5, comma, like 5 will work, right? We can even see that 1, comma, 10 will work. Or like we can see that 0, comma, 10 will work here. Because, you know, they intersect there. These are all solutions. There's more than one that'll work for, well, let me scroll up. Like all of these work for this and this. And so let's prove it, or let's offer some evidence. So we get y. Well, let's choose a point, 2, comma, 6. And let's write this, y is greater than -2 times x plus 7. So this should work here. So this, so this is my x and y. So the y is 6, the x is 2. So 6 should be greater than -2 times 2 plus 7. -2 times 2 is -4. -4 plus 7 is +3. And 6 is in fact greater than 3. But remember, 2, 6 has to work in both of these inequalities. 2, 6 has to work in both of these inequalities. So I'm going to go to this next one. Like a little bit of room. X is less than 3. X is less than 3. I'll put it right here. I'm going to scroll a little bit. Okay. Now, the x is 2, right? So, well, I should do this first. Okay. So over here, the x was 2. The x is 2. The x is 2. And then you just end up with 2 is less than 3. Is that true? Yeah. See, that's easy. So there was no y here, so I didn't have to put a y over here. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the next system of inequalities. Okay. Oops. Let's try that again. Okay. So y is greater than or equal to 1/3 x minus 6. So I'm going to go, I guess I'll make this one blue. -6, 0, -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to go up 1, right 3. And then backwards. Okay, I guess I can do the last one. Let's see. So it can be equal to. So solid line. Ooh, maybe I can do better. We'll find out. That's good enough, right? Now the y's need to be greater, so I'm going to go up here. It's these points. Oh, there we go. Okay. And let's do y is greater than -2. So this is where y is -2. right here, right here, right here, right here. Oops. Here, right here. So I need to do where y, well, y can't be equal to. So these dots aren't really even here. So y is greater than, so it's going to be the up here. So I'm going to do like this. Dude, so much is going on. It's kind of hard to see this. It's all right. And so let's find some solutions. So x, y, we can see where they both like crisscross, right? So 0, 0 works. Right, we just have to be above this, or both of these really. And let's go to like 6, 1, like -5, 5. We can't choose these because they aren't there, but like 1, -1. Like 5, -1.9. Oops. Cool. Let's offer some proof. So that first one is, well, let's choose 6, 1. So we get y is greater than or equal to 1/3 x minus 6. And x and y, well, I can just like that. So x is 6, y is 1. Oh, I should draw that arrow. Oops. So 1 should be greater than or equal to 1/3 times 6 minus 6. 1/3 times 6, positive, positive, positive. 1 times 6 is 6, over 3 is 2. So we get 1 is greater than or equal to 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is -4. 1 is greater than or equal to -4. And that is correct. It is greater than. I can write that one a little better, I think. Okay, cool. Now I just need to show that this like solution, well, works, well, the solution, so it should work for this one too, right? So y is greater than -2. And the y was 1. So is 1 greater than -2? Oops. Is 1 greater than -2? Yeah. All right, cool. That's it. Just be careful when you look at these graphs. Like, finding out where they intersect is sort of difficult. Like, when they're not. This one's somewhat obvious. This one up here, though, it was really like, it was a really small. I mean, it goes larger up here, but as far as what we can see, it's like really small. So just be careful. Just be careful. All right, cool. That's it. Thank you.